Joining me now for more is ABC News legal contributor and criminal defense attorney Channa Lloyd. Channa, this is a story that has been in the spotlight since it happened back in 2024. In your opinion, will it be hard to seat a jury?
It is going to be hard to see the jury because this was an event, a body cam worn video that was shown, and many people saw it. A lot of people were talking about it. It was a national headline. So anytime that happens, it is going to be hard to see the jury. But let's remember, there are individuals that, despite seeing the body worn camera, can agree to be fair and impartial and listen to the evidence that's presented at trial, because that is what is required of juries when they're seated.
And the judge in this case denied the defense's request to exclude the body camera footage. How important is that footage to the prosecution?
So that body worn camera is very important because what it does is it allows the jury to see exactly what happened. It gives frame. It gives an idea of how far apart they were, the distances, sizes. Those are all things that juries want to look at and they want to review. So that impact is going to be felt throughout the trial.
The ex-deputy in this case, Sean Grayson, worked at 6 agencies in 4 years after being charged twice with DUI. Do you think that plays into this trial, and if so, how?
Well, it's going to play in. Well, the judge has already ruled that those incidents cannot be brought in why he was brought out, which was a blow to the defense because they felt as though it was something. I apologize. That was a blow to the defense because to the prosecution because they want to be able to talk about prior bad acts. However, the judge has already ruled that they cannot talk about that and they cannot bring it in. The prosecution would have wanted to bring it in to show that this is not an isolated incident. The defense clearly wanted it out because what they want is the jury to only look at what took place that night.
And as a criminal defense attorney, what are you watching for as this trial begins tomorrow?
What we're looking for is to make sure that we seat jurors, make sure that jurors are going to be impartial, and then we'll be looking at opening statements. Here's where we're going to get the roadmap for each side's case in chief. We're going to see the state lay out exactly why they feel that this is first-degree murder, the statements, the things that they believe support that. And then we're also going to hear the defense combat why they believe that this was in self-defense, the actions and the events that took place that led him to believe that he was in imminent fear, because that is the bar for a self-defense claim.
Channa, thank you.